Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Thiruvalluvar University Freshers account. So let's get started. So to log into your Thiruvalluvar University Freshers account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Thiruvalluvar University Freshers login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and after coming up to this page, now what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Thiruvalluvar University. So after tapping on that, now you'll come up to this page or to this website, and from here what you can do is just tap on the Freshers login option which is on the top of your screen. So after tapping on Freshers login, now what you can do is just simply enter your Aadhaar number. After entering your Aadhaar number, you have to enter your date of birth in the form of password. So just enter your date of birth. After entering the date of birth in the form of password, what you can do is just enter the caption which you can find above. So after entering the caption, now what you can do is just tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, you will log into your account. But if this caption does not work, what you can do is just refresh this caption, and by tapping on refresh you will receive a new caption that you can enter. So after entering the new caption, now what you can do is just simply tap on submit, and after tapping on submit you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Thiruvalluvar University's Freshers account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.